thoughts, let me reduce the space. PCA on my pain, find a better place. Linear discriminant, separate my highs. Like LDA, cutting through the noise and lies. Support vector in my heart, I keep a clear divide. Margins on my soul, SDM's my guide. Norms define my strength, L1 or L2. Gradient descent, yeah, I push on through. Professor Wu is the best, it's true. Breaking barriers, he's teaching us the view. Ariel, yeah, she's okay too. In this ML game, we know what to do. Neural networks in my brain, layers so deep. Backprop the errors, learning while I sleep. Maximum likelihood, mapping out the chance. Like KDE, smooth moves in every stance. Poison in my thoughts, rare but profound. Bernoulli trials flipping as my choices rebound. Exponential distribution, life moves so fast. I calculate the moments, make the moments last. Professor Wu is the best, it's true. Breaking barriers, he's teaching us the view. TRL, yeah, she's okay too. In this ML game, we know what to do. Entropy in my mind, disorder takes hold. Cross entropy guides me, truth to unfold. KLL divergence, comparing what I know to the world outside as I let it all show. Logistic regression, I find the right fit. Classify my feelings piece by piece, bit by bit. Closed form solution to the problems I see. Professor Wu guiding, setting me free. Professor Wu is the best, it's true. Breaking barriers, he's teaching us the view. Sarah, yeah, she's okay too. In this ML game, we know what to do. So here I am, stats on my side. Distributions tell the stories I hide. From likelihoods to gradients, I find my groove. In the ML life, there's nothing to prove.